Let's say you have this prompt where you're asking the model to create a SQL statement from some user data. So you have the username, email, IP address, phone number. So as you see, there's personal information here that you probably don't want to send to the model. But what you can do is that you can create this anonymized input scanner and pass your prompt through that. And then with that, you get a sanitized prompt where the personal information is redacted. And then you send it to the model. Then the model gives you the SQL statement with the redacted information. And then you de-anonymize that. And then you get your sanitized output back. So the idea here is that you don't pass personal information, but then you still get something back that you can de-anonymize and use it in your applications. And of course, you can chain these scanners, input and output scanners, as much as you want. And the model armor on Google Cloud works the same way. It kind of sits here, and then whenever things come in and out, you pass it through model armor, and then it either blocks them or not, and that way you can kind of control what goes in and out.